So tonight we will be sleeping in a converted motorhome. So van life has been a huge trend all over social media. So the question is van life for us?
Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Oh, come run away.
In our previous episode of showing you tiny homes, we had the most incredible stay in a beautiful glass cabin. And if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check that out first, because today we're actually just one road away to our next tiny home, and I've been practically obsessed with these all over the internet, and I'm really interested in what this might be like for our future. We might actually consider van life throughout Europe or throughout Asia, who knows? So we want to know if it's really for us.
So right now we actually have to make our way up there. That's where we're going. So we have to climb a little bit up the hill to get to our van for the evening.
I'm too excited! That's it!
So cool. There's so many.
There's a few of them. Oh my goodness. Wow.
This is our converted Sprinter van.
Nice. Thanks, Nate. Look at this. Oh my gosh. There's even like flashy lights around.
This is so cool. Look at the view.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
This is like luxury van life.
This is luxury van life. So van life was actually my idea, but I think somebody else is really excited. I think he's really excited for van life. It's not even in the van yet.
Okay, so let's give you a little bit of a tour of where we're staying. So obviously, as you walk up to our van, we have an outdoor bathtub. I know if you're traveling or road tripping through Europe, you're not going to have this luxury, so this is good to have. And then we have an outdoor seating area, which I love. And then, should we make our way in the van?
Yes, I'm dying to see it.
I don't know how to open this. Okay.
Wow, I'm so excited.
That is so clever. You can see we've never been in a van before. But this locks, so it stays open, and then you can just unlock it.
That's like cool.
All the nifty things
All
about a van.
nifty things.
Okay.
Wow, welcome to our converted motorhome for the night. I can't even believe I'm saying that. This is so cool. Honestly, I would live in a van because it's got everything on wheels. Here we've got a microwave and we've got cute snacks and these little cups. How cute are these? Okay.
They gave us all these snacks.
Yeah, right? Got a kettle.
Got a kettle.
Ooh, mini fridge.
Refrigerator in the van.
That's
cool.
And then I think what I love the most is like all the little storage compartments that don't open. Don't open. Okay, these open. Cool. Lots of storage space for us. That's so cool.
That's cool.
We've even got a stove. We've got an oven. This has got everything.
This is better than our kitchen at home.
No, we don't have an oven. Oh my gosh. And let's look at the storage. Look at that. There's a hairdryer, hangers, and then we've got a fan.
Is that a
Got a
fan
little-
or a heater?
It's got to be a fan, surely. And then, of course, our beautiful bed. Oh, I'm in for van life.
It's actually a really big
This is a huge bed.
bed and like a proper mattress. In my head, van life had like a really thin, skinny mattress.
I mean, this is more than enough space for us on the road, right?
That's where you'll be while I'm driving.
Yeah, literally. I'll be here.
For me, this is the coolest part.
Oh my gosh. Little sunroof. Oh,
No way.
wow. I'm on the roof. Hello. This is so cool. I'm too excited. I love the fact that we've got so much cupboard space, just as a rough idea for what we might need.
And over here we have a Bluetooth speaker that they gave us, and they have all the electronics so we can make sure that we're heating up the water, obviously to see how much electricity we're using in the van. And then, what's in here? It's a full bathroom.
Is that the bathroom?
It's
Oh
so
my
small.
gosh. Oh my goodness.
No way.
It's a full-on bathroom though. There's a shower.
How would you even sit on the toilet?
You don't fit.
Where would my knees?
Try.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Imagine being on the road.
Oh no. Okay, you're too big for the motorhome.
Maybe too big for bed. Actually, this is okay. As long as we're not driving. And there's even a hook to hold the shower door back. So everything kind of has like a little nook and cranny so it doesn't just fly everywhere while you're driving. And then welcome to our living room, which is actually really nice. And it's really spacious.
Quite spacious.
So we have 2 couches. This is when we invite our friends over for van life. And there's even compartments underneath. There's plugs. So for us that's important. We're always charging devices. So this is great. Lots of windows. And there is an aircon in the van.
Something you won't see in an actual van for actual van life, right?
This is going to take way too much electricity.
So if we were in an actual van, we would be using that tiny bathroom. But because we're not actually going anywhere, we have a nice real bathroom. Let me show you. This is our outdoor bathroom. How cool! Shower, mountain view. So awesome. And we've got a sink, we've got a beautiful circular mirror, and we've even got a toilet, fully functioning as well.
And I love everywhere around this place, there's this mood lighting, kind of similar to what we had at the glass cabin, and it's even around the bathtub over here. Actually around the whole van.
If this was actual van life, I could get pretty used to it. He's on the roof. Hello. So I know that this isn't actually a van that can drive, it's actually a caravan, but we have been practically obsessed with watching van life videos all over the internet and YouTube, and when we found out that we could actually rent this place for a night, we couldn't say no, especially me. So it's gonna actually really be nice to find out what it might be like to live in a motorhome for a night and see if we can actually do van life for real. This is our van and his name is Eldus. His name is Eldus.
Hello Aldous.
Hello, Eldus.
So this is our caravan for the night. So we are at the Riverie camp where they actually have 6 converted motorhomes. So right now we're gonna go and check them out. So this is ours behind us. So each one is designed a little bit differently, has a little bit of a different interior. This is the bathtub from one of the other ones.
I think this is one of the fancier ones. It's got an outdoor igloo dome, it's got the caravan, outdoor tub, oh my word. I think this is luxury van life.
Whoa. There's a sofa, proper lights.
Look at this.
No ways.
Whoa. This is insane. Wow. This is so cool.
I could do this.
But can you do it every day?
Am I suited for van life?
Oh, is he suited for van life? Oh, it's not too bad. I can get used to this.
The bed is big.
Oh, the bed's comfy. And we've got a little sunroof.
And you can see your neighbors.
So we've had a bit of time to relax and unwind and kind of get used to van life.
There are a bit of positives and negatives even in our first few hours. I think we will have to get used to living in a really small space.
I think the worst thing for me is like the bathroom that's continuously moving, if it was really moving. But of course here we have our outdoor bathroom, outdoor bathtub, which for me, I'm not complaining about.
I think the positive is wherever you go, you get the most amazing view, and I think that's what attracts people to van life. So we actually wanted to ask our viewers if any of you have ever considered van life, done van life.
Or if you think we should consider van life.
Oh, it's a
which
good question.
We already are, but maybe you might confirm it.
And please tell us if you're part of the small percentage that is totally against van life, if this is not for you.
Yeah.
Because there's a part of us that agrees with you.
Yeah.
This is the most beautiful way for us to spend our day. But I think Shiv is enjoying it the most. She has just run a bath. And are you enjoying?
This is where I want to be. Don't take me home.
This is the happiest person on the planet right now.
Time for dinner.
So I've actually had to walk down here because the music is a bit loud to talk. So we are actually sitting right up there, and we're actually having a mookata tonight, which is like a grilled pork where you grill all your food. So if you saw some of our previous videos where we stayed in the tiny home, or even the previous one of the glass cabin, you would have seen us eat that. And this is actually the same restaurant as the glass cabin. So we're eating pork, bacon, lettuce, mushrooms and tofu, and you need to grill everything. And what we're doing in the center is there's actually like a broth, so we're gonna put all the vegetables in there and create like a hot broth soup.
Good morning from our tiny home on wheels.
So we just completed our first night, and there are some things that we already have to get used to living in a tiny space. And last night it poured with rain and it was so noisy on the roof.
We could hear every drop. But the bed was actually so comfy. It was actually quite nice to wake up in this tiny place. It's so beautiful. And then we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna go and have breakfast. We've just come down for breakfast now and we are having the most incredible spread with the most incredible view. I can't actually believe that we have to leave today. I say that every time, but every time we have this incredible experience, we're just so happy to be here. Devon's very pleased about his breakfast.
It's happy.
It's a happy face. Oh my goodness. 5 years old?
I didn't do this. This is how they gave it to me.
Wow, I can't believe we have to say goodbye already.
We really enjoyed this. This was amazing.
I loved it. I absolutely loved this idea. I think it's such a unique concept. Even if it's just for one night, it was so awesome.
There's a lot that we're going to have to get used to if we consider it. But that begs the question, what do you think about van life?
I actually absolutely loved it. I would highly consider it in the future.
Definitely. I really enjoyed it. There will be a lot of things that we need to learn. So please let us know if you are interested in van life or if you would ever consider van life for yourself.
And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed all this craziness.
And please remember, after you subscribe, just hit the bell so you get notified on all our crazy adventures coming up. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye. How many times do you think Devon has hit his head in the van? Oh. Again?
Again.
Are you alright? Oh,
It's like the third time.
This is the third time. Oh, I shouldn't be laughing.
Van life is hard.